We're now going to look at a few more string formats that can be passed to the toDateTime function. So there's quite a variety of string formats that work here. So we could say 2023-01-15, so January 15th, 2023. You don't even need the 0 in front of there. You could have just one number. You can use slashes like this. You can even string them all together like this. So have the year followed by the month followed by the day. And of course you can add the time. Let's go something a little bit more legible. So 1:15. And you can put the time over here. So say 16 o'clock 45 minutes. So this is 4:45 p.m. You can add the seconds and say 39 seconds. You can put parts of a second up to nanosecond precision. That's up to 9 decimal places like this. So all of this is possible. You can even do things like this. So this is really interesting. You can say like May 3rd, 2024 at 5:42 p.m. and it will actually work. So there's quite a lot of variety you can do here. One thing to know about is that there's actually a standard format for date time. You can click here and read all the different standardized formats for date time. The one to really know about is that a lot of times you'll see this T that separates the date and the time. So this is one major part of this format. This is code 8601. Is just, this is the International Standards of Organization, this International Organization of Standards. And it has, all these codes for different standardized things in the world. And 8601 is the date time standardization. So you might see this in some data, and that's just following this 8601 standard. All right, so just a few more string formats that are possible to be used inside of the toDateTime function.